Okay, so can we start our conversation?
Okay, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How's your day so far?
Day was good.
It was Sunday. It is Sunday today. So I think you have
Yes.
some special plans for Sunday.
Not some special, but just I visit with my mother in market because of
Mm-hmm.
she have some work.
Mm-hmm.
Immediately she make plans, so that's why.
Okay, as
And
we are
ma'am,
meeting for the first time, so can I know something about you?
yes, of course. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself before you. My name is Kanchan Yadav. I am from Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh. I am a
Okay, you are
student.
my neighboring city, you can say, because I am also from Jaipur.
Jaipur, you are from Jaipur. It is in Rajasthan.
Yes, and I think you are saying Jodhpur.
I say Uttar Pradesh. District name is
Oh,
Jaunpur.
sorry. Actually, before you, I was talking some person. She was from Jodhpur. Okay,
Okay. Yeah,
okay.
Jaunpur and Jodhpur. One is same. That's
Jaunpur.
right.
You are talking about Jaunpur.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
yes. Jaunpur is also situated in Uttar Pradesh. Yes.
yes.
Mm-hmm.
So I am a student. I am preparing for teaching exam because I want to become a teacher. My qualifications are I have done B.Ed and Master of Art in English subject. And
Mm-hmm.
if I talk about my hobbies, I love to read books. And sometimes whenever I am free, I watch some motivational speakers and some knowledgeable video on YouTube. And sometimes some funny videos. That's all about me.
Okay, now my turns. I am
Okay.
Tanya and I am connecting with you from Jaipur city. I am a homemaker. And recently, I have started, not recently, you can say before, I think 4 months ago, I have started my own YouTube channel just for brush up on my speaking skills. That's all about me.
Okay.
Okay.
Then,
So, something tell me
okay.
about your city, Jaunpur. Anything
It is
special?
not. Yeah, there are some. Yeah, Kila. People visit there.
Mhm.
Jaunpur is famous for Shahi Kila.
Shahi
In,
Kila.
yes, yes. In
Okay.
Jaunpur, there is a Shahi Kila.
Okay.
People visit
I
there.
mean,
There
read
are
Jaunpur name
colleges.
in books. Jaunpur name I have read in the books.
Yes, yes. That is famous for Shahi Kila.
Okay,
Jaunpur.
Shahi Kila. You have
Uh,
done your B.Ed also. I think you are passionate for teaching.
yes, yes. I want to become
Why?
teacher.
Why you have chosen this field, teaching?
Because when I was in 10th class and 12th class also, so my teacher was not teaching me good. And whenever I was, still means there are lots of teachers surrounding me. And when I was in post graduation, teacher's responsibility just they deliver lecture. For him, it is not compulsory to make student understand. So it is not good. So
Mm-hmm.
it's
That
my
day you
desire
decided
whenever
to become a teacher.
I will teach students means they will got my points in one time. If they are not able to understand me, I will definitely make him understand and focus on weak students. Means it is
Mm.
not necessary I will become teacher of English this subject. So I will deliver lecture before students in English. In which
Mm-hmm.
language they will capable to understand me, I will make him understand.
Mm-hmm. I really appreciate.
Because I
Okay.
face this problem, man. That's why.
Mm-hmm. Have you seen a movie Tare Zameen Par? Okay.
I can watch.
Yes, you should watch this movie.
Okay.
Do you? If you want, then I can narrate a small story for you in this movie. You
Okay,
want?
okay, you can. Yes, yes.
This is a famous movie of Amir Khan. Okay. The story is based
Okay.
a boy. He was suffering from a disease dyslexia. Okay. But you know, in our society, nobody is aware of this. You can say this disease. Even I was also not aware. Okay.
Yes, yes,
Because in the
yes,
class there are so many students are studying, but some students, you can say, there are some problem, they are not able to understand the concepts.
yes,
You are not visible.
yes, ma'am. Because I clicked it, that's why. Sorry for that. I am trying to do something else, but now it is okay.
Mhm. Yes,
This is
so I'm
my
narrating
fun.
the story of that movie. There are so many students in the class, but there are some students who cannot grab all these things. So sometimes you also feel that they are very dull student, but sometimes they are facing some other issues. Okay,
Yes,
so that
yes,
child was facing a problem, a disease that is called dyslexia. And if some child is facing these kind of problem, so we can teach that child in other ways. The teaching method is totally different, and there are only four schools in the India. I think three or four schools in the India where these kind of children are studying. But if
yes,
they are going in a common school, that time I think parents should also tell the teaching staff, you can say principal also, that my child is suffering from this disease, so you can give some extra efforts.
yes,
Okay,
yes,
so
yes,
all he has also a sibling. That boy also has a sibling. He was very good in his studies, but he was not in good studies. So always his father scolded him, why you are not doing good performance in your report cards. But he was really unable to speak why I am not doing good performance, and teacher also scolded him. After
yes, yes,
that, his mother thinking we should try another school, we should send him in another school. After that, they admitted him in a boarding school where Amir Khan has played a teacher's role. Then he identified that he is suffering from a disease. It is called dyslexia. And these
okay,
kind of children are very good in painting some other works also. So after some time, he recalled his parents and told all these things. Then they realized, oh, my child was suffering from this disease. We are not aware. And school staff was also not aware of this thing.
yes,
And after that, his elder brother really feel very pity for his younger brother. Sometimes he was
yes,
also,
yes,
yes. So this story really inspire us. A teacher can change students' life.
yes. But ma'am,
Say you
somewhere,
should movie.
yeah, I will watch definitely. I write down that name. Ma'am, as a we can see in some school and colleges, means they are not responsible. Students are able to understand or not. It's not his responsibility. Somewhere they came, just they start writing and they start delivering lecture. They will not take care. I face it many times when I joined YouTube classes. Means through online classes I am learning nowadays. So I got means now my all confusion is clear. I don't like offline classes.
In this era, you can get this facility of YouTube, so many other platforms also. But in my era, there was no so many facilities.
Yes, yes, I can understand. When I
In
was
the there are
in
so many
childhood.
methods right now you can watch on YouTube.
Yes, yes,
But
ma'am.
in my
I totally
era,
agree with you.
what my teacher is saying, it is totally correct. You cannot apply your own method.
Yes, yes. Miss ma'am, even now, if I was in college, so whenever I want to ask some questions from my teacher, my friends always say, Miss, don't ask, otherwise they will scold you or they will cut your number from practicals. Miss, they
Yes, yes,
always demotivate
yes.
because of this fear.
We have never, you can say, I think there was a fear from the
Yes,
teachers.
yes.
We never ask.
Yeah, means I cannot ask three and four, yeah, two and three times for in a class one day. Means
But
if
right
I
now,
want to ask,
but
yes,
right
ma'am.
now, teaching strategy is totally different. In my era, teachers also, you can say, beat us sometime with a stick also. But right
Yes,
now
yes,
it is totally banned in every school, and I think it's a very
yes.
good decision.
Yes, yes, ma'am, it's good decision because at that time, because of beating fear, students don't want to go. My father was saying, means I when I was in school, so I was facing this problem. That's why I left from my study.
Yes, and right now school are also focusing some sports activities, also some other activities also.
Yes, yes,
But in my era, you can say in my time, we all are focused on totally. You can say study. You should always
yes,
do your study. But
yes,
right
yes.
now, I
Only
think
study.
scenario is totally changed, and I really very happy that all things are changed.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It, it is good for students who were in this era.
I think you were not happy with your teachers.
Yes,
You
I
were
am
not
hundred
satisfied.
percent agree with you.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Even I was in B.Ed. After that, I take admission in MA. At that time, I was facing this problem. My teacher don't explain all these things. This his responsibility. Just he came in class. After that, he start deliver lecture. Even he know we are not able to understand. He say, "Yeah, I know you are not able to understand, but what I can do? It's my responsibility. I will complete syllabus. That's all. It's
Just
your
doing,
responsibility."
you can say they are just doing their jobs.
Yes, yes, we are doing
They are
our
not
job.
putting any extra effort.
Yes, 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 ma'am. There are lots of teachers. They are doing this. Even
Mm-hmm.
in coaching center, I can see they
Mm-hmm.
don't focus on weak students.
Yeah, it is very common. You can say it is very common thing.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Uh, Whenever you get free time, what kind of activities you are doing most? Like reading books, watching some English content, writing
Yes.
work.
Watching some English content on YouTube.
Okay. What type of contents you are watching? Like conversation,
Sometimes,
blogs.
yeah. Means last 1 month I am watching conversation videos on YouTube. That's why I saw you on YouTube.
Very
After
good.
that, I saw a video. After that, I message you.
Yes, yes, yes. Anything if you want, you can ask me.
Ma'am, I want to know your educational background and how you learn English language. From here, I want to know.
Think every student is familiar with the English language because we have familiar, I think, nursery grade, I think. Okay,
Yes, yes,
because it's government school. I think they are aware in fifth standard, fourth standard. I don't know because my schooling was in a private school. Okay, so I was
yes,
aware, but there was lack of environment of English speakers. You can say that was the
yes,
reason we were unable to speak English. But right now, if we go in a mall, in a very good schools also, most of the staffs are speaking English, and you are
yes,
going
yes,
to attend your daughter's your son PTM, that time you are facing problems also. So that
yes,
time I decided, okay, I should learn to speak how to speak English because I am very good in writing all these things. But when it come to talking, I don't know why I was totally blank.
yes, it happens.
Okay, if I talk about my education, I have done my masters in political science.
Okay. After that,
Yes,
means from where you learn this language, ma'am? With the help of YouTube or teachers or books? From where you learn this? I want to know.
I have a daughter also, and right now she's in sixth standard. I am also teaching my daughter. So I have learned from there, and some parts I have learned from YouTube also.
Okay. With your daughter, you learn, and after that, with the help of YouTube.
And one thing also I will tell you, I am a movie freak person. Whenever I get time, I always prefer to watch good movies.
Okay, that's good. But in student life, sometimes I can watch, but exam is near, so I can't watch this time. Earlier, I have no, yeah, not background at my home for study, and I have not mobile. That's why nowadays, last 2 years, I am spending most of time for study
But
because I want to.
because I have very few hours for me, so it is not compulsory that I am watching whole movie. Sometime I watch only half an hour.
Okay.
You
Yes,
can
ma'am.
say
If you
I'm
are,
in sections. After that,
yes,
I'm completing, I think, 2 or 3 days in one movie.
that's good. And somewhere there are some ladies they are habitual to watch serials, so it is not good. Movie is good.
Before
When
marriage, I was also watching some serials, but after marriage, really, I am not watching any serial because I think there are same story. We all are aware, like
yes, ma'am.
they are doing backbiting work also, and all the serials I think based on Saas Bahu drama. I think.
But some teachers say women whole day watch serials. After that, they create problems according to serial at his home.
But nowadays all are aware these serials are not
Yes,
good. So we should never watch these kind of serials. Because
but
if you are watching one episode, after that you will be addicted. Definitely you will watch
I
second
was.
episode, third episode, fourth episode.
I was addicted when I was in 12th class. I watched serials.
Same here with me. But after some time, after marriage, I realized no, it was not a good decision. We should. I was really addicted of these serials, but after some time, I realized no, no, I should never watch these kind of serials.
Yes. When I get a mobile, after that I leave all these activity. I don't go near TV in in TV
Right now,
room.
just focusing on my English speaking skills, and I also listening some good podcast also.
Okay, that's good. Means
Yes,
whatever is knowledgeable for me, if I am watching all these things, so it will good. And if
yes.
I am wasting my time, so it is not good.
Because I think it is a human tendency because we have faced this same situation. Okay, but after some time we realize, oh, we have wasted our time on this. You can say rubbish things. Okay, after some time,
Yes.
all are understand.
If there was in my
You
uh,
had also done B.Ed. In B.Ed, I think there are so many things they are
yes, ma'am.
educating.
That's why
Yes,
I know. And
and in
I am
IIT,
facing this problem, man.
yes.
Could you repeat, please? I didn't
I'm
get.
saying I think we have discussed so many things about like parenting, teaching. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If you want, then we can wrap up the session.
Okay, ma'am.